Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit your profile on Pinterest. Now, once you learn how to edit your profile on Pinterest, let's get going. The first thing you do is from your home menu, after signing in your credentials, you click on your profile at the top right corner and then you can see your profile, then click on view profile and then click on edit profile for you, just for you to check through. Alright, so now once you edit our profile, you can change the photo. Yeah, you can change your name, your surname, your story, your pronouns you want to use. You can choose two sets of pronouns to appear in your profile so that's not how to refer to you. You can just remove them anytime. Website, add a link to drive traffic to your site, your username, and everything. And once you're through with editing your profile, you tap on save. Let's say I want to change the photo. Let's choose a photo. Let's see. Let's see the photo I want to use. Let's see, I think I have it on downloads. Alright, that's the photo I want to use. Click on open. I need to change. Gotta change your surname, like I said, story, pronouns, and everything. So as you can see, it has changed the photo. And yes, okay, you can save until we add more stuff. Let's see. Story, none. Then we start on save. We click on save. Profile has been saved. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to edit your profile on Pinterest.